Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the part 2 video of how to use metro in China. And now I am in front of Gudong metro station, and this is the exit B, you can say entrance B of Gudong metro station. And now we are going inside the metro station and I'll teach you how to use metro. Let's go. Now we took the entrance B and then we are going downstairs to the basement. Okay, here you can see the line 3 train number, and then this is the Gudang station, and this falls under line 3 category. And here you can see the security person is sitting here, and we have to go this way to go inside the metro station. Now you can see this is the customer service center, and from here you can buy the one-time use card to get into the metro station. This is only for those who don't have Alipay or they cannot pay through the phone, and you can give cash and then they will pay provide you one-time use card. Yeah, okay, now you can see from here you have to put your bags or luggage, whatever you have. For me, like, I don't have, so that I don't keep this my luggage or anything here. And this is the security checkpoint. Once you pass your bag from the security checkpoint, you have to go this way, and here you have to scan your Alipay to unlock the gate. You can see how they are unlocking the gate. Okay, this is the entrance gate, and from here there are two options. Either you scan your phone through Alipay, or if you don't have Alipay, you have to touch the ticket here. You will get one-time use card. You just touch it with it here, and then you can open the gate. For now, I'll just use the Alipay. Let me show you how to do that. Here, this is the Alipay, the home page. I use the transport and use the metro option, and with the QR code I scan it here. Okay, now we entered into the metro station, and we have to know how do we take the line. Now let me show you the Metroman app. Now we are at the Gudong metro station. This is Gudong, and then we have to go to Zijingang Campus. So that Zijingang Campus, Zhejiang University. We select the destination here, and then we search, and after that we find that we have to take line 3. This is the line 3, and we have to get off at Xiaoshan, and then we have to take line 5, and finally we'll reach Zijingang Campus, Zhejiang University. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we take the escalator here to the metro line, which is below. We have to take Xinjiao metro station, this one, which is on the left side. Okay, look at this. This is the map of the metro. The direction we are taking is from top to bottom to the Xinjiao. This is the final destination, and we are here at Gudong, and we will take the metro station until line 5, which is at Shanshan. You can see the metro is arriving, and you can see the time. The metro comes at every 4 minutes, and this one has arrived already. And it is very crowded today. Okay, you can see the location, the direction of the metro. The metro is right now approaching the Wanglong Sports Center, and you can see it is the line 10, and finally we will go across so many metro stations and get off at line 5 and take the line 5. Okay, look at here, like, everyone is minding their own business and they are busy in their phones, and I luckily got the seat, and everyone are standing, and then the metro is speeding up. It is really convenient, the metro. I really like it. Okay, here you can see we are arriving at Xiaoshan metro station, and this is line 5. We will get off here. Okay, now the metro station has arrived, and the metro is also about to stop, and the doors will open on this side, and I'll take an exit from here. Yeah, now I'm coming outside, and you can see there are a lot of people rushing into the metro station, and we will take exit from here. You look at here, this is line 5. We need to follow the mark here, and let's go this way. Okay, now here, this is line 5. The train is below here. We will take the escalator from here, and the metro line is also very crowded. And look at this, there are two options, ginseng or gunyang chao, and I'm taking the ginseng, which is on the left. Phone screen, here we are at Xiaoshan. We will take line 5 for ginseng, and ginseng to Zhejiang University, Zijingang Campus. Ginseng is this, you can see on the board here. And here, look at them, like everyone is lining up on the right place, and you can see people will come out from the middle, and the one who are going inside will be on the sides. The metro is really crowded. I see a lot of people inside. Wow. Now I have to get in very carefully. Look at them. I need to find my place. It's Zijingang Campus metro station, and now we will get off, and doors will open on this side. The metro had stopped, and the doors are opening. Okay, we are getting out from the metro station now. Now we will take the escalator from here. We will exit from the metro station. And we will find the exit gate number also. We will look at the notice board, and we will find out which exit board is okay to reach the Zijingang campus, which is the closer exit. We'll find out. Yeah, let's go this way, and here we will see the notice board here. Here are the exit C, exit B, and exit A. Look at this. From exit A, you can see Zijingang campus, so that we will take exit A. And now, while we exit, I will again tell you about how can you use your one-time card for exiting the metro station, and then after that, I will use my phone to scan through Alipay and exit from the metro station. Okay, you can see here. This is the place. Here you have to insert the card. The card is only for one-time use, so that you have to insert the card, and then the doors will open for you. And for now, I will use Alipay because I have Alipay. And here you can see this is the transport option. I go to the transport option, I see the metro, and you can see the QR code here, and I will scan this QR code here, and I'll get exit from this gate. Yeah. Okay, look at this. This is exit A. We will follow this way. And you can find the washroom. If you have to use washroom, you can use washroom over here. And metro is really facilitated, and you can find a lot of other services inside metro as well, like the vending machines. And if you are thirsty or you want to drink Coca-Cola, you can buy the what drinks from the vending machine as well. Now we are going outside the metro station, and here is the escalator. Now finally we are outside the metro station. This is the exit of metro station, and from here you can see on the above there is written Zijingang Campus, Zhejiang University Station, and it is the entrance A. We got outside, we got out from this entrance, and but we can go inside from that way as well. And you can see outside, this is nearby the Zijingang Campus. Look at the shopping mall. This place is really nice, and I will take you to the Zijingang Campus now. Follow me. Here you can see a lot of the bicycles and electric bike, and there you can see the bicycle in blue color, and some are in the sky blue color, some are in yellow color. These all are the rented bicycles, and you can rent this bicycle by paying through Alipay. You have to scan this QR code. If you scan this QR code, you have to pay 1.5 RMB for 30 minutes. And in next video, I will teach you how to use this bicycle and how to ride and unlock this bicycle and ride it and have fun for 30 minutes. Yeah. Now you can see this is the way to go to Zijingang Campus, and we will go to Zijingang Campus from this way. It's a beautiful park, and exactly these buildings are the dormitory, and that building you can see is the building for registration process, and I'll make a separate video for that to help you to go through the process of registration as well. Yeah, finally we have reached the Zijingang Campus, Zhejiang University, and this is the south gate, and this is very near to the metro station. And I hope you guys understood how to use metro. And in the next video, I will also make some other content related to the registration process, how to use bicycles by scanning with Alipay, and several other things that a new student don't know. And it will be really helpful for you all. So that stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.